Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today we have two stories. One about South Africa's football team and their travel problems, and one about Japan's defense minister and China. Please join us to practice English every day with the latest episode. For transcripts and quizzes, visit LinguaWire.com. Today, I am with Sarah, our sports reporter. Hello, Sarah. Can you tell us what happened with South Africa's football team?
Hello, Daniel. Yes, South Africa's football team had problems with their visas. Visas are papers that let you travel to another country. Some players and staff did not get their visas on time.
Why was this a problem?
Because the team could not leave for Mexico on time. They need to be in Mexico for the World Cup games.
Who said this was a big problem?
South Africa's sports minister, Gayton Mackenzie, said the country looked bad. He said the team looked like fools because of the visa problems.
What did the football group say about the problem?
The football group said they had problems with visas but did not give many details. They said they worked hard to fix the problem.
When will the team travel to Mexico?
The minister said the team will leave on Monday. They want to be ready for the first game on June 11th.
What games will South Africa play in Mexico?
First, they will play a friendly game against Jamaica. Then they will play the World Cup opening game against Mexico.
Why is this visa problem important for the team?
If the team cannot travel on time, they miss practice and games. This can hurt their chances in the World Cup.
What did the TV stations say about the visa problem?
The TV station called it an administrative bungle. This means it was a big mistake with the paperwork.
What is the football group doing now?
They are working very hard to make sure the team travels to Mexico soon.
Thank you, Sarah. It sounds like the team hopes to fix this soon.
Yes, Daniel. The team and the football group are working hard to make sure they travel quickly.
Now I am with Adam, our Asia News reporter. Hello, Adam. Can you tell us about Japan's defense minister and his recent speech?
Hello, Daniel. Japan's defense minister Shinjiro Koizumi spoke at a meeting in Singapore. He talked about Japan's military and China's weapons.
What did the minister say about Japan's military?
He said Japan is not trying to start a war. Japan is only updating its defense to protect itself.
Why did he talk about China?
He said China has a huge arsenal of weapons. This means China has many weapons, and this worries many countries.
What did China say about Japan before this?
China said Japan is building up its military again. They called it new militarism and warned other countries.
What does militarism mean in this story?
Militarism means a country wants to build a strong military and maybe use it more. China thinks Japan is doing this, but Japan says no.
How much money does Japan spend on its military?
Japan's defense money is over 9 trillion yen. That is about 57 billion US dollars. They have been spending more money for 12 years.
What did the minister say about Japan's plans?
He said Japan will be open and clear. They want to talk with other countries and explain their plans.
Why is this important for other countries in Asia?
Because some countries remember the past, when Japan invaded them, They want to be sure Japan will not cause problems again.
What did the minister say about peace?
He said Japan wants to help keep peace in the region.
Thank you, Adam. It sounds like Japan wants to show it is peaceful, but ready to protect itself.
Exactly, Daniel. The minister wants to keep peace and be honest about Japan's defense.
Let's look at some useful words from our first story about South Africa's football team. First word, visa. A visa is a paper that lets you travel to another country. In the story, some players had problems getting their visas. Example, I need a visa to visit France. Second word, team. A team is a group of people who play sports together. The story talks about the South African football team. Example, our team plays football every Saturday. Third word, travel. Travel means to go from one place to another, often far away. The team had trouble traveling to Mexico. Example, I like to travel by train. Now, a useful verb from the episode, to leave. It means to go away from a place. We say, I leave, you leave, he or she leaves. For example, the team will leave on Monday. I leave my house at 8 o'clock. You can use leave to talk about going away from home or work. For example, she leaves work at 5 p.m. We leave the party early. Remember, leaves has an S with he, she, or it. This verb is very useful when you talk about going from one place to another. Try to use leave when you speak about travel or going out. That is all for today's language recap. Follow LinguaWire for the latest daily episode and build your daily language habit with us.